Good. Whoops. Sweet. I don't think we're going to be able to get one in there, but we can put one over here. Drop. Woo woo!
Stapling our wire.
Bit by bit. Little here, little there. Learning new stuff. It's exciting.
So supposedly you're supposed to put these staples every at most every 4.5 feet. When you junction boxes, if they're plastic, 8 inches, or metal, 12 inches. We don't have metal ones. We have plastic junction boxes.
Okay. Oh, that's hurt my feet. Okay.
I'm sure someone out there is going to be like, you're doing it wrong.
With an accent, too.
Doing it wrong.
With a drawl. Y'all are doing it wrong. What are you idiots?
You're going to... Oops, I better not say the F-bomb.
Yeah,
You're going to die in a house fire. Whatever.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
This is an unpermitted home, and we are doing this for the first time. So if somebody has constructive criticism and doesn't want to be a dick, just let us know.
Yeah, we're going to lose about 20 subscribers.
Yeah.
Whatever.
I hope someone's going to go out their way to be douchey.
So be it. I'm not going to cry. Anyway, so yeah, putting up wiring. Yay! We have our light fixture box in, and we have our light switch, and our plug-in, our electrical outlet. Yeah. Yay!